Stop scrolling. Look at your TV. That boring screensaver could be making someone $1,300 a month in passive income. No camera, no talking, no influence or personality required. In 2026, intelligence is a commodity, and the top earners aren't programmers, they are AI power users. If you want to stop trading hours for pennies, you need to listen closely.
Most beginners are stuck in self-help mode. You watch endless tutorials but never build a real product. You're terrified of being on camera or getting replaced by a robot. The truth: AI isn't taking your job, but someone using AI will. Companies don't want generalists anymore. They want people who can deliver results fast. You think you need a degree or expensive gear to start. You don't. You just need a strategy. Step 1. Pick a boring niche. Forget viral dances. Focus on screensaver videos or sleepy history stories. People play these for hours on their TVs or laptops for background noise. These generic channels can earn between $1 to $10 per thousand views. Find a theme that feels like play to you but work to others. That is your founder's triangle advantage. Step 2. Assemble your AI crew. You are the director, not the laborer. Use Grok to generate a boring history script or a storytelling outline. Use Nano Banana AI to create futuristic artwork for your theme. Finally, use 11 Labs to generate a professional voiceover for about $11 a month. This creates a barrier to entry that makes it harder for others to compete. Step 3. Build your dream machinery. Don't stop at one video. Build a catalog. Successful channels post hundreds of listings to stack views over time. Focus on demand and marketing by creating consistent content across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Use AI tools to repurpose your long-form videos into short clips for maximum distribution. Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Well, some people are actually doing it with AI, and it's simpler than you might think. Take a look at this channel that just posts videos of blooming flowers. They get millions of views. Or how about this one, revealing little-known history secrets? Again, millions of views. So, what's their secret? AI tools. They use AI to generate stunning visuals, write compelling scripts, and even create realistic voiceovers. All it takes is a clever idea. These creators are turning simple concepts into cash cows by letting AI do most of the heavy lifting. The possibilities are endless. What kind of channel would you create with AI? The future of content is here, and it's waiting for you to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ideas. The window to take advantage of this is short. You, Dante, need to be the smartest person in the room. You just need to be the one who actually implements. Stop being a tourist and start being a strategist. Click the link in the description to join our free community and start your 30-day learning plan today. Subscribe now or get left behind in the old economy. Let's get to work.